Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the swish source. You want facts, not guesses. Plug and swap quickly. Try a different mic, cable, and input. Once done, record a clean 10-20 second reference of room tone and a test phrase at the same level. Make sure phantom power is correct for condenser mics, monitor latency and gain staging to avoid clipping. This gives you data to compare, and it speeds troubleshooting so you don't keep changing multiple variables at once. You now analyze the recording. Load the clip, view waveform and spectrogram to see where swish energy sits in frequency and time. Use a noise reduction module or spectral repair to attenuate the artifact. Be conservative so you preserve tone. Then try transient suppression or a declick tool if it's impulsive. Next, apply surgical EQ, a narrow notch or a subtle high pass, and audition in context, because processing can shift perception. You finish by comparing processed and original files, doing a /B checks at low and high playback levels and on multiple systems. Once satisfied, export at the correct sample rate and bit depth with dither if lowering resolution. Save your processing chain as a preset and note settings that solve the swish. If it still appears, isolate environment and hardware. Change room, reposition mic, try battery power or different outlets, and test another recorder. This rules out electrical, mechanical, or acoustic causes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.